So hi guys, in this video we learn about how to create a garbage monitoring system using Aurdino IoT Cloud. So I am using a Esp-32 to gather information from the environment and store to the cloud. So how IoT, it is a Aurdino IoT architecture. So this is the Aurdino IoT Cloud architecture. So the required components to make a garbage monitoring systems are ESP32, ultrasonic sensor and jumper wires. So I connected 22 pin is a trigger pin, 23 pin is a echo pin, voltage supply is ESP32 voltage supply and ground supply is a ground supply of ESP32. So next we move to into the Aurdino IoT Cloud part. Move to first you create a things. So create a thing, click, so add a variable, so type a thing's name ESP32. Next add a variable, so I add a variable garbage. So next I declare a variable type, so I declare a variable type integer, so I get a integer value from the hardware part. So I declare an integer, read and write. Next, update policy is on change and add variable. Next, you move to the associate device part. So select the device. So you want to create a setup a new device. Setup third party device. I use a ESP32. If you have a ESP82 device, click ESP866. I click a ESP32. I have. So next, type ESP dev kit, continue. So now you receive the device ID and secret key. So copy this one, continue, done. So next we move to the Wi-Fi name. So paste the secret key, save. So now you complete the cloud variable. You go to create a dashboard. So click the dashboard button. So create. So create a widget. Add widget. So gauge. So click a link variable. Okay, click this one and the link variable. So it is an untitled. Click this one. So give a title name. Okay. Edit setting. Garbage level. Okay. Next, click the link variable. Done. So now all the software part is done. We move to the coding part. So click the things. Select the move to the scheduler. Okay, so this is the coding. So first I initiate my limit of the bucket. Enter the 22 pin and echo pin. Next, it is a 22 pin is output, 23 pin is a input. Okay, it's a trigger pin is a output pin, 23 pin is a input pin. Okay, Okay, next. So wide garbage level change, wide on garbage level change. So you see in the software garbage monitoring change. Okay, same thing. So digital first initialize duration distance percentage. So first I declare digital write trick pin milli 2 second low, then I milli 10 second, then low. Next, I enter trick pin digital write duration equal to pulse in of echo pin high. So serial pin equal to duration. We calculate duration, pulse in echo pin equal to high. It is a input. So we receive a duration from this function. So pulse in equal to echo pin equal to high. Then we calculate distance equal to duration into 0.034 divided by 2. So if you want to calculate percentage, duration divided by 2, the duration is divided by 2 into 29.1. Okay, duration equal to 0.034 divided by 2 into limit into 100. Okay, this is the if you want to change the integer into for bucket purpose, so I declare the this code. So if you want to integer number, if you want a result integer number, so I declare the this calculation. So next, I the percentage level will be calculated for this calculation, using this calculation to get a result from the trig pin and echo pin. Okay, next, garbage level equal to 100 minus percentage. Okay, so we receive the value 66. So 100 minus 66, 44 percentage. The garbage level is filled. Okay, we successfully completed the coding part. We move to the hardware part. So after you successfully completed the coding part, you just click the verify, and after verify is completed, you click the upload button. So this is my garbage monitoring system. This is my project garbage monitoring system. So in this project we can calculate the garbage level inside garbage monitoring system. So garbage level in Android mobile phone. So I am using Aurdino IoT Cloud to monitor the garbage monitoring system. So now I put some garbage inside garbage monitoring system. What will happen? So I put some garbage. So now the 64% garbage inside garbage monitoring system. So it calculate the level of garbage. So it calculate the garbage level. So I use the Esp-32 Vero module and I connected to ultrasonic sensor. I see SR04. So it is placed top of the dustbin. So I place that, and it is connected to ESP module, and I give a power supply power bank to ESP32 module. Then ESP32 connected with route. It will gather a data and store it data to IoT. Then IoT transfer the data to IoT cloud. So then we get a data and monitor using IoT remote. So now it's 64% garbage is present inside garbage monitoring system.